To refer a friend on Temu for any method or game, follow these steps carefully. Start by opening the Temu app and navigating to the home page. Tap the U button at the bottom, scroll down and click on Earn Credits and Free Gifts. If this option isn't available, go to Settings and change your country and region to the United States. After doing this, you'll see the Earn Credits and Free Gifts option. Click on it, and you'll find various offers and affiliate programs. Choose the reward you want, such as cash via PayPal or Temu credits. For instance, if you choose cash rewards, look for the Invite button at the bottom, usually in orange. Click on it, then either copy the referral link or code. If you use the code, your friend needs to download Temu and enter the code in the search bar to complete the referral. If you use the link, simply send it to someone, and once they click it, you'll get a referral. You can send the link or code through social media platforms like Instagram or Snapchat. Alternatively, you can directly share via Instagram Direct or other options provided in the app, sending it straight to a friend's inbox.